Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I have another unboxing. It's getting a little ridiculous, I know, but this piece was so cute and I couldn't help but pick it up. So I'm going to get the box. Here it is. Make sure I don't show my address. So I have been a big fan of Kate Spade for years. I was like a junior or senior in high school when I got my first Kate Spade. It was like this satchel that was cut like a patent leather and it was maroon, had glitter on it. It was a really pretty piece, but I didn't end up keeping it because I just kind of grew out of it and it didn't really suit my needs anymore, so I ended up selling it. Can't remember where for the life of me, but I sold it somewhere. Don't have one of their novelty pieces and I've really wanted to get one for a while, but I don't know why I haven't. But I really want to start collecting those too because those are so cute. So anyway, long story short, I have my first novelty piece, so we're gonna open this together. I saw this on the website and well, this is on the Outlet website, so Kate Spade Surprise, and I fell in love with it. So I was just like, I need it. And it was pretty good price, so I was like, why not just start my novelty collection now? Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, so don't need anything in there. Going to unwrap this. The only downside about this bag is it does not come with a dust bag, but honestly, how cute this is. I don't think you would want to put it in a dust bag. Like, this is meant to be carried, and when it's not carried, it's meant to be displayed. Are we ready for this? Look at this, how cute. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. I'm literally dying. But can we just, this bag, it's so cute. So this is the Beep Beep car crossbody on the Kate Spade Surprise website. It's a little Volkswagen Bug, which is super cute. And the detailing on this, I just can't get over it. So it's got these little daisies all over. And then it has the little Kate Spade logo for the front, which is kind of like what the hood ornament, where it would be. And then the headlights and the tail lights are rhinestones. And then where the back tag would be says Kate Spade. And they have little door handle on each side and the wheels. And then it opens from the trunk. And it's actually pretty spacious on the inside. And it's got the Kate Spade, like the little spade print on the interior, and it's got magnets on the back. That's how it closes, and it's so cute. It's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my stuff out of here to show what fits in this bag. And honestly, with this bag, I'm probably going to carry my TARDIS tote bag as well back to school, just to make sure that I have everything I need. Opening it up. The only downside to this is there's no like little pockets or anything. Like, you could have put like a little zip pocket on the side or slip pockets or something, but there's not any, so you just have to deal with that. So I have my Louis Vuitton cosmetic bag, which is the same shape as this bag, and it does not fit. You will have to squeeze it to get it in there. So I am actually, I don't want this stuff just free roaming in there. I'll worry about that in a minute. I've got my little Kate Spade wallet See, there's a Kate Spade theme here. I don't know if I'll keep that or not in here. We'll see. Sunglasses. Those fit in there quite nicely. All of my keys on my keychain, which I talked about this in my Louis Vuitton Speedy review. I might take the wallet out because it's not really stuff I need. So take that out, because I also talked about it in my Louis Vuitton Speedy review and said that I just have extra stuff in there, not necessarily stuff I need. Okay, so transferred everything into this pouch, and it's a squeeze, but it fits. I don't know. So it fits, you just have to maneuver it a little bit. And then sunglasses honestly might keep out. And there we go. So can't really fit a lot in here depending on, you know, what you need. So that's kind of a bummer, but honestly, I plan to use this bag mostly for travel purposes. So when I travel, I try not to carry that much in my bag just because I don't want to be weighed down by a bunch of stuff. But there we go. I think I'll just leave it like that. And here it is. I'm definitely going to lower it some just because how I've talked about crossbodies that I like them to hang kind of low on me, so go ahead and do that. I'll put it on the lowest setting. There we go. So here's what it looks like. It's super cute. What do we think? Do we like it? I think it's super cute. And one reason why I can't fit a lot is because how much I have on my keys, but honestly, like, I like having that safety keychain, but I would love to find another way to have all of that stuff with me and to use it, but not keep it all on my keys. I'm still trying to figure that out. But that was my little unboxing showing of a little Kate Spade car crossbody bag. As I use this more, I will do a full in-depth review eventually, whenever I decide to. You know how I am with those. So yeah, that will do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please stick around by subscribing, hit that bell notification so you will know when I decide to post. Also follow me on Instagram, have a lot of fun over there, film some cool reels and take pictures of all my outfits. So definitely recommend you go check me out on there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.